Tidings and salutations, nerds. The nerd deck is what was chosen. The nerds are what won. So the nerds are what we're going to cut. There's going to be music a little bit after this when we have a peek. Some music, some nerd music composed by yours truly. So stay tuned for that. And now I'm going to quit talking. And yeah, we'll just have a look at this. We'll just have a look at this together. Togetherness of the nerd deck. And that's the end of the nerd music. So, hopefully I made it this far, because here comes the Jokers. Jock Joker, Nerd Joker, splendid deck. Randy Butterfield again does a fantastic job designing these. Fantastic. MidnightCards.com. Grab you a deck, or two, or half a brick. They're win. They are win.